Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Windel B. Pasis. I'm 30 years old from Disarap, San Mariano, Isabela, Philippines. I am a college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, organizing things, reading books, singing, and dancing. I have an experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years, including two adults and two children. Ages 9 years old girl and 8 months old boy. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing their clothes, and going to the market. Before I end this introduction, I have a short song for you. This song is called The Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, please hire me because I am kind, honest, trustworthy, and dedicated person. I hope I will be there very soon. Thank you and God bless.